Are you wondering how to create a squeeze page in Clickfunnels? Then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a squeeze page in Clickfunnels. It's incredibly easy. I'm going to share my screen, show you exactly how it's done. You'll be an expert in no time. Let's go. Okay, so here is the document that I'm giving away for free to people. Okay, it's a very simple PDF guide document that I made, and I'm going to show you how to create this. Okay, this is a very simple squeeze page. So when people click on my link, they land on this page and they have to put their name, their email address, then click here, and then they will get an email straight away with a link to this free document I'm giving to them. Okay, that makes sense? I'm going to show you exactly how to build this squeeze page in Clickfunnels. It's dead easy. Let's go. So here's what you need to do. You obviously need to go to Clickfunnels. If you don't have Clickfunnels, you can click the link in the description of this video to get a 14-day free trial. That way you can play around with it, see how you like it. Okay, once you have Clickfunnels, go into Clickfunnels and click here, build a funnel. So once you're here, click here, okay, create a custom funnel. Okay, so when you're here, you're going to give it a name, okay, and then click build funnel. Easy as this. Okay, so here's what it looks like. You have a series of templates, okay, that you're going to select one, and then you're going to modify it. So you can scroll down and have a look and pick one. Each template comes with a little preview button, so you can click that and see what it's going to look like, right? So I will show you, I mean, there's some very basic ones, like this one, for instance. The one I selected was this one. I wanted to put a picture of myself. It's just personal preference, right? So let's just say I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So are we going to select this template? And you click there, select template. It loads up the page, and then you're going to click here, edit page, okay? You don't even need a picture of yourself, right? I just quite like to make it personal, but that's really personal preference. Okay, once you are here, okay, you get to edit this exactly like you would edit any kind of document, really, right? So I'm going to delete all of these. As you can see, you sort of hover on there and you click delete, okay, every time. It's as easy as that. So now what I want to do is add a new element because I want to add a picture, right? So did you see what I did? I clicked on that little sorry, let's do that again. I clicked on this little arrow here and add new element. Okay, I tapped here and then I'm going to select an image. So you tap here, image, right? So here, this is your block where you can put an image. So then you click here, settings, and there you're going to have this little box that comes up and you're going to select an image. So you tap here, image, and there I have images that I've loaded in my Clickfunnels because I've had Clickfunnels for a long time, right? I've played around with it a lot over the years. But if you don't have anything here, what you would do is you click here, upload, and that's going to take you to your computer, and you can select any image, anything you want from your files in your computer. In my case, I already have pictures, okay? So I'll select this one. So I tap there, I tap on this one, and then I click here, add image, and it's going to add it for me, okay? Now then, what I can do is I can again tap on there, and I can make it, I believe, you know, you can make it so that it's rounded, for example, right? You can make it bigger or smaller. I don't know, shall I do like 300, like that? That's quite nice, isn't it?
let's just say, okay, I'm not going to take ages for this tutorial, but you get the idea. You play around with it until you feel it's nice enough. Okay, here you just basically, you know, type whatever you want to type, you know, get your free ebook, let's just say. Okay, and you basically, you every time you tap on whatever you want to edit, and you edit it exactly like you would any kind of document, really. If you tap, as you can see, if you tap on there, you have the option of highlighting it, doing bold, italics, changing the font, linking. It's really very, very straightforward. So I won't spend a lot of time showing you this because it's you know, it will take too much time, but that's basically the idea. Then, the very important thing in a squeeze page is obviously not the editing. The important thing is that it's going to link to your autoresponder, okay? So here I have, they have given me a field of the email. I quite like to have a name as well. So I'll show you how to add the name. You just click here, add new element, and it's a form. Tap here, form, and then you click here, input, and okay, this I would select here first name, okay, and this I will change, and I will put sorry, your name, because I quite like people to put their name. It makes my emails more personalized, okay? So then I'm going to move this here. Hold on a minute. You can drag it and move it. You know, usually people put their name first, right? And then their email. So, you know, you modify this until it looks the way you want it to look. And the very, very important thing is you have to go here, tap this, the button, right? And I'm in fact going to move my picture because you really need to see this, okay? So tap this. You can change it, by the way, the theme. I hate this green, right? So you can maybe click that, for instance. But the important thing in settings is you have to click here, set action, right? So this is the right action. You wanted to submit the order, submit the form. That's what you want to do. You want to really check that this is clicked, okay? Because if you tap here and you tap go to a website, it's not going to link to your autoresponder. You have to make sure that this is clicked, and then you need to go here to settings and integrations. Here, you need to select your autoresponder, which you will have linked to Clickfunnels. Now, I'm assuming you've done that. If you don't know how to do that, please drop me a comment let me know in a comment below this video, and I will make a video explaining to you how to do this. This is a completely different topic, you know, of an autoresponder and linking your autoresponder to Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels has tutorials that tell you how to do this as well, but I'm very happy to make a video. But assuming that you've done that already, so you need to select the autoresponder that you're using, and then you need to have created a list in your autoresponder. Again, same thing. If you don't know how to do this, let me know in the comments. I'll make a video to tell you how to do that. But in my case, I have done that. So I select an integration, add to campaign, and then I select the list that I created for this, which is my affiliate marketing guide list. Okay, now this is connected. Now this means that when anybody puts their name and their email addresses and clicks there, they will instantly get added to my autoresponder. In my autoresponder, I have an email. I've set up an automation, very easy to do as well. I can show you as well how to do that in another video. But I've set it up so that it will automatically send people an email with a link to this guide, right? Which means that when they click the link, they will be able to access this guide and download it, okay? So, but coming back to our squeeze page, once you're happy with all the changes, you click here, save changes. So once you've done that, you save it, and then very important, preview it to check that it's okay. Check that it looks good on mobile as well. Sometimes it looks great on the desktop version, but keep in mind that many people are going to view things on a mobile phone. So check that it looks okay. If necessary, just move things around a little bit, change the font, do stuff like that. When you're happy with it, save it. And then, very important, test it. Now, I'll show you what happens, how you test it. I'll show you how to do that. So you basically, you copy this, okay? This is the link to this squeeze page, right? So you copy this and you paste it here, and then you press return, and you see how that looks like, okay? What I do is just really quickly, a little tip. I mean, this link doesn't look very nice, okay? So of course that's a bit more advanced, but you can link this to a domain name that you have, okay? You can buy a domain name very cheaply for like $20, you know, you can do it even in Clickfunnels, right? However, if you don't want to do that because you don't want to spend any money, or because, you know, I have quite a few domain names for a simple squeeze page like this, I'm not going to buy another domain name, okay? So what I would do is I would simply copy it and go to bit.ly.com, which is here, and I would simply paste this link in Bit.ly. I just create a link. What you do is you go here, you paste your long link, and then you get a much shorter, prettier link, right? Which you can even personalize. I have a video that shows you how to do this up there. Should be in the suggested videos, okay? It's dead easy to do, okay? And the advantage with this is you get tracking. You see, I created this yesterday, and this link, and I can sort of see how many people have clicked. So that's kind of quite good, you know. But anyway, this is how you create a basic, very easy squeeze page in Clickfunnels.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please make sure you post them in the comments below the video. And if you don't have Clickfunnels yet, just click the link in the description of the video and you will get a 14-day free trial. And make sure if you're stuck at any point, you just reach out to me. I'll be very happy to help you out. I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.